So let's jump back in this new video. So we're gonna actually color with those markers, and then I will show you like how I can do color at them, and then I can do this for my best. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a simple flower, and I'm gonna draw with pink. Okay, so where is the color? It's actually in the third box of a group. I think, is this the one? Okay.
I use my superpower.
Nope. I don't know where's that color. Okay. Hope if I'm not feeling confused. But I will take all of the marker boxes out. And oops. And I'm gonna see. Oh, it's actually in the fourth one. So we're just gonna use pink. It is. And so first of all, I'm gonna draw 5 petals. So yeah, we draw them like leaves. So 1, 2, 3, it's like a pentagon shape. And last but not the least, we're gonna make this longer. And 5. Alright. So now, as I'm going to fill in, I gotta do these as a stake. So I'm going to fill each petal in. Because for this type of paper, I am using the Crayola watercolor pad sheet. Okay, so I'm going to, first of all, I'm just gonna fill it in. And we will see what we will do next. You can also try to refine them after your sketch. It doesn't have to be the way it looks exactly as perfect. Okay. And actually wanna try to make it so then Well, first of all, I just want to make sure if I color with markers, I do one side stroke like this. But the best part is that you should trace right before you color. Okay, and I think it looks actually good. So next thing that we're gonna do, let me just zoom in a little bit. We're gonna make like, you know, like the veins for the petals. We're just gonna create like very thin of them. Or we're just gonna make a few strokes like under on each petal close to the pollen. So first thing I'm gonna do is to do this and this. It's kind of like overlapping with them. Okay. I know color is too dark. Yeah, but it looks good anyways. I'm just gonna recolor with them. Yeah, it is so simple. Okay. Right. Okay. So now we're just gonna go for the actual color again. We're gonna use the same one, but leave the nearest pollen parts. I don't know actually what they're called, but leave them. We're just gonna, you know, do like this. Okay. This is easy as cake. I mean, a piece of cake. Oops. I'm just gonna go make it like a blending stroke. I'm just gonna add more to it. And there. Guess that's totally looking fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the edge stroke. So I'm gonna use hot pink. I guess it's lighter. So what am I gonna do is we're just gonna take a very small stroke. So that you can see, yep, it is actually a good looking color. So to remember this, like take this closest color that looks a little bolder than this, and trace them by making your strokes on the upper edge of each petal. Alright, so what'll I do is that I'm gonna take the perfect color. Indeed. Just gonna make like blending strokes. So should start from the top. So we just gotta do it like blending of them. I know. Just gonna re-up the strokes. I'll show it to you like this. But it looks actually looks great. And there's only one more thing that I forgot. So I'll go for ooh, I want a yellow color, not laser lemon. So I'm just gonna take yellow and then, or actually, let's just use golden yellow. We can see like how terrific of this color. And so guys, how do you think of this? Yeah, so we already did to go over the tips of this flower is to do the sketching part. You have to make some simple easy shapes, then refilling it. I know you can also try to refine this. And we go for layering. So the tips I've done are the edge stroked, the inner part to the outer parts, yeah, and smoothing. I know it looks a little bit difficult to try to be the blending part as we focus on from the out edge stroked. Yeah, but it looks good anyways, yeah. So why don't you subscribe this YouTube channel and follow my on my Instagram account page, and hope you guys have a good day. See you then. Bye bye.